Today I can show you how to use the utility, our utility used to how to record audio and video. First you need to go this logging now. First you click logging now. Then you can put your username and password, then login. Then you get this panel here to see audio record. Click here. Please wait just a moment. And this my internet is slow, so it takes time. Mm. Now you get this page. Now you can this is audio record. You can click here, then recording. You can now recording start, and now recording start. You can record your speak, then you can stop, then this যদি this record save stop save. Now you can see when you can audio record is off, then you get this code. This short code you can paste here, and you can write your my audio self published, and you can view, click, and this is audio, and you can our order page to this URL copy and our order page to send us, then we will translate it. That's one. And now I can show you how to record this video. You can go video recorder page. Okay, let me show you. Now your copy URL link to click here this upload file, and then you will get this language. Please file your which language your current file and which language you translate, and here you put this URL and then send us, then we will get yes. This way too you can translate, you can send us file link. And now we can show you video. Click video record, then you can when you open, then you can see this my your video you can see, and you can see here to record. You can video title my video and description and start recording, and you can record started. Record started. Now you can stop. Click here, you can download. Play here, you can see play here. your video, and you can write copy video address, then you can order fill like add to senders. Okay, thanks you very much for your watching. Then you can this way too you can send us video. Okay, thank you very much.